Hey, what's up, guys? This is Civic Void from Civic Beats. I'm doing this video in response to a question that was asked in the comments on a different video. Basically, Dylan Henderson asked why his 808s sound out of key. The problem is probably that your 808s are out of key. We'll take this 808 kick. It's from the stock samples that come with Fruity Loops. And we'll use that as an example. You right click on it, go to edit in audio editor, click on this icon, it's regions, and then you're going to go here to detect pitch regions. So you can see that this one is in the key of G. What that means is that whenever you hit the key C on your keyboard, it's going to play a G instead, and so on and so forth with all the other notes. So the way that we fix that is first we take our sample, we drop it into our rack, open that up, hit the wrench, and then just go over here and right click on G. Make sure you don't left click on it because then you got to start all over for some odd reason. I don't know, it's weird. But anyway, now you've got your sample tuned, and I think that there's a fine tuning somewhere too. Yeah, right here, this slider. So if it's still giving you problems, you can try to fine tune it. But basically now whenever you hit the C key, it's going to play C. Whenever you hit G, it's going to play G, and so on and so forth. If you find this video useful, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like the video. Until next time.